And we are starting our last live session here from the beach. From tomorrow, everything will be back to normal. So, but for you to be ready, if you see this as a recording, make sure you open with the broker that I'm using so you can copy the trades I'm doing. Okay, you find link below the video, and also you find link a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So if you want to follow what I'm doing, well, you need the broker. So you get 200% on your first deposit using the promo code you find below the video. Okay, also make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you never lose a live stream like the one you see right now. Now, if you are here live together with me right now, then you find link in the chat. It's pinned that you can join this broker and get started today. At least start with a demo account because it's much more fun to follow when we are running together and trading together. So now let me just check that everything is in order before we log in. Let me see. This looks to be good. Let me see if we are going live. Everything seems to be okay here also. Yeah. Then I will start trading and we can get started. I started this live session a little faster today because basically I'm going to travel, and let me see. Let me see if I can just get in my login information. I'm going to be traveling with flight very soon, so I need to do this session first and then I will go with the flight. There. Now let's log in. And as always, it's not the best connection or anything I have today. This is my last day here at the beach, so I am on hotel internet and all this. I can't say good stuff, but it's what it is. We do the best out of what we have. Now out of the bat, I will take trades down in this location. Let's change for 30, let's change for 100, and if you come down to the green line, well, you know the deal, we go up. We will remove this one here because we're not trading this, we just trade this one here. And in the top, well, we remove this one for now. And the one in the top here, I think I'll move it up around this location. So that is basically the trading zone we have from the start today. And like I said, tomorrow things will be back to normal. We will be trading from Sao Paulo and we will have our normal office location and internet and everything will be good. Now I know that it's not the best we have today. The sound, everything is terrible, but and you know how it is when you're in a hotel. The internet is never good, and sometimes you work and then you suddenly start to lose it, and yeah, that's what you have seen at least the last few days here now. I do not have an extra computer up today, so I'm not able to follow the chat. Okay, so just be aware of that. So if you write to me, well, I can't see it. Okay, so just be aware of that, today I'm not available to be a part of the chat. But well, tomorrow we're back to normal, so now we are ready to go in. I think actually I would like to move this one just a little bit there. Let's see if we can get in buy down there now. That would be nice to get a trade in. No, for now we have not got any. Let's zoom in now to see what's going on here. I think there is an area I want to go in now. We see when we come down to this location there, we get a refusement. So interesting area for me would be to go in this area here. Okay, I will go back and check in the chat once in a while, just to follow, to see that everything is okay, that we let me see if this computer, no, I'm not getting any power on my other computer here now, so looks like there will be no possibility for chat today, but that's okay. We do the best of what we have. Let's see. So yes, like I said, this green line in the bottom here, that's the one we are going to push up on. So let's see. We are ready to go in. Till now we have not had even one viewer on our live stream. We've been live for 6 minutes. Let me just check that everything is okay, just so we make sure. Let's see. Let's go to there. So things looks to be working at least. Okay. Now, let's see. We are looking for buy trades on the green line. So let's see if we can get on there now. Looks like we have a possibility at least. So, but don't be discouraged that if you feel it's not going too good today, because like I said, today I'm not on a good computer. I'm just here at the hotel with a portable computer on a crappy internet, but I'm just trying to make some content, by the way, just so we have something even though we are in holiday. Yesterday we did amazing, by the way. We did 15 trades and we won as much as 12 of them. Now we have our first trade in. We got a very good entry. Now let's see how this plays out. Let's push my trade so we can follow this trade. We are in for more 10-second-ish. Let's see. The other times he have been shooting up, so let's hope he do this time also. And $98. Let's bring up the calculator so we keep a track on our profit as always. So we have $98. Okay, cool. We are ready to go in again. Let's remove this so we see a little better what we are doing. Let's bring this a little more down, and if we come down to our green line again, you know the deal, we will go in with the buy trade. So now let's see. So we will basically try to print as much money. The thing is, you see with Binance, is one of the easiest ones to trade. See here now. Look this history here. Look this. You will just buy, sell on these tops. Okay, you can see that change a little the area that choose to be on, but the support resistance is so constant on this pair, so you can basically print money on this pair. It's super easy to trade this one. I have seen that my Binance coin is the most successful pair I trade, and it's even on the OTC. So I need to say that this is quite amazing to trade. Now let's see. Very low activity today. We have been live now for 10 minutes and we have not had even one person in, but things was working, so I am not sure. It's actually, I know why I did start my live stream very early today, like I said, because I need to. I forgot to change the correct time, so the timer for people did not come to the correct time. But I just needed to do it because I'm going in 1 hour to my flight. So I just will have like 10 minutes to pack my bags and go and eat breakfast also. Because I just throw myself into this as fast as I could, just so we can get 1 hour live session today also. Now, like I said, let's wait and see. This area here starts to look more and more interesting also. This is the third time, and third time is the charm for me. Actually it's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, not this one but this one. So if we come up there again, I will probably push the down button. Let's see if we can do that. It would be nice. But for now we are very successful in our support line, the green line you see in the bottom. But our resistance zone, the red line, we will go down on that one also, because as you can see we have 4 time tests. For me 3 times is the charm, so when you have 3 we are golden. So now let's see what will happen here now, if we can get some more trades in. So today I will be trading more 48 minutes, so we have a good time still to be trading. And like I said, if you see this as a recording, make sure you prepare yourself for tomorrow, because tomorrow will be the first live real good session I'm going to have, and it will be for a while. We have not done on a real computer, real internet, big screen. Not even that will be the huge thing for my case, because to be sitting here on a portable computer and see these small things, you know, these scummy eyes, that is different for me, because typically the screen I have is this huge screen I have, where I can see everything very clearly. So it will be amazing to be trading tomorrow. I look forward to it actually, because I am one of these people, I love my job. Now let's see. So like I said, if we can get up to this red line there, you know the deal, we will push down. Now let's see. We are ready to go in, we are getting close. Would be nice to get in there. I did take a trade, was maybe not the best entry, but let's see how it will play out. Let's bring it up here. Now he did close above, so probably we will lose it, but I will not count my loss before the timer go down to 0, but yes, looks like we're going to lose this trade here now. Let's see, 3, 2, and yes, we lost this trade. So from morning today we have 1 winner and 1 loser, so basically we are in 0, $2 minus if you want to be correct. Okay, then while this one is figure it out what it's going to do, we can start to look at some other pairs. Let's check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin pay 101%, need to love that. So now let's see how this plays out. Let's push reset the chart, and in this up here looks to be pretty darn good. I will take a trade up there. In the bottom I have not decided yet, so let's wait and see if things can play out a little different. But yes, for sure, the one top here. Also, one thing you need to remember, every time when you change in between a pair, make sure you change the timer. Because see here now, I put this to 30, right? and open Binance coin, then this will change to 5. You see? So always make sure that you follow this one there and change it to 30. Okay. Now let's see if we can get a trade up here. Currently he's a little away, but that's completely fine. Looks for me that maybe our new trading zone now can be up around this region here. Let's not have this color yet. I always, when I'm following a line, I change it for a blue-ish color. It's just to make something different. So this is not a trading zone, this is just to follow to see how it would be if I traded there. Okay, so now let's move back to Bitcoin and see how this plays out. Here I think we also need to wait a little, so let's see if we find something else. Dogecoin, quite long time since we have been trading our Doge. Let me see. I think I see something here in this region here. We make it red and 30 seconds and oh no, not up, not up, down. There, I think we are in. It was a little messy the trading there, but I think we got it in, yes. And we got a little above the line, so the entry is good. Now let's see if we can get our $98 there, so we are turning profit again, because we have one winner and one loser today, and if with this win we are turning profit. And there you have it, we got another sweet $98. So let's put that into calculation. Our profit till now is $96. I think I would like to have a little better entry up there. Let's see if we get up to that level. That's where I want to take trades now. So let's see. But we need up to we are in. We got a good entry in the top here. You see that he's making a little higher and higher tops, so let's see how this plays out. We are going to be in the trade for more 15 seconds, thankfully, but looks like he's breaking up here now. I will take one trade up there also. The reason for that is quite simple. Let's see if we can follow a little better. Now looks like we're going to lose everything. That is very annoying there what he's doing right now. So yeah, now we are basically minus 100 minus one other 100. We are $104 in minus. I had said before, I don't win on Dogecoin that much. That's the reason I don't trade. Dogecoin is, I don't know, Dogecoin hate me. Maybe because I never did buy Dogecoin. I don't know. But Dogecoin I have never had any success there. Now here, 3 is the charm, remember? So let's put in a fast line there. We will put it there. Let's make it red. Let's change for 30. If you get up there, and you know what, I see one in the bottom also, so let's take one there. Let's change it for green, and there you have it. We have our trading zone. Let's zoom in. Let's move this a little more so I can push up down. Now let's see how this can play out for us. I am looking for a down trade on this one there, and we got in one there. Of course, looks like once again he's going to break up. Yeah. Is this the day we're going to take one up there also? No, we are 2 in here also. Is this the day we're going to really be losing? Last day here at the beach. Let's bring up the trades we have. We lost the first. Minus 100. We are $200 in minus now. And looks like we're going to lose this one also. Or Did we? We did. In the last second we lost it. So this is one of the days where you will see me do this. Now we are $300 in minus. Then what I do, I change this one for 200. I always do this, but that is the max. I don't go higher. So now we have a $200 trades. Our trading zone, I take it up there now. Now let's see. Let's bring this a little more down so I'm able to push the down button. And we are in there. Now let's see how this plays out. Now let's see. Now this is going shit for us today. Going very shit. Looks like I'm going to have some bad luck the last day here at the beach. And looks like it. Oh yeah. What can I do? What can I do? Now we are 500. That is one of the highest minus I have had in all my live sessions. Let's look this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losing in a row. I don't think I've seen that before. Let's close this shit here. This we need to be fixing. But yeah, now we are not doing that hot today. But let's see if we can turn this around. That would be amazing if we could do that. But yeah, I'm a little discouraged to be so much in minus. I have never had 5 losing trades in a row. That's the first for me. So it looks like we're going to have some bad luck here the last day at the beach. Let's see. But I will continue with our system and let's see if we can get in a good trade up here. I will put this line a little there. Now let's see if we can get in some trades. By the way, tomorrow we're back to normal. Everything will be normal. We will start to trade properly again. And let's see if that will maybe take some $500 trades tomorrow just to repair this day if we turn minus. But yeah. Now let's see. I am looking for a sell trade on right now on the red line in the top. 3 is a charm, so let's see if we can turn things around. We need at least 3 trades to turn profit now. So now let's see how this will play out. We are going to be trading around 35 more minutes today, so we have still time to turn this around. Now let's see. So we are looking for sell trades on the red line. Now we need a little more push up for us to be able to do so. Now let's see. Come on now. No. Now let's see. So you can see I need to do like this, up down here, to be able even to push this down button, because the screen is much smaller than what I'm used to. The screen we typically have, I can see everything in the one screen. Here at the beach with this portable computer, I need to be scrolling up down to be able to do everything. But yes, we had an incredible bad start today. Now let's see if we can get ourselves. Okay. Sorry, I'm tired. I did wake up super early today. just to have this live stream before I'm traveling. I'm traveling with a flight in, I'm not traveling in 1 hour, but I will travel from this location in 1 hour because we need to drive a little distance also to get to the airport. Trading for 25 minutes. I will say that is quite good, but our profit is not good today. We are actually minus $500, so that is crap. I will take a up trade there. Reason for that is that we do have some type of support there. I'm hoping this will be a winner now. I can't take more losers now. We have 5 loser trade in a row. I have, like I said, I have never in my life seen that before. So, but yes, we got a winner there now. Sweet $196. Then looks a little better at least. $196. We are now in 300 minus. Okay, cool. Now we know that we have some type of resistance here. Let's see if that is holding. If we that this will be a trading zone or if we are needing to wait. So now let's see. Looks like he's holding the one up there, but we need at least 3 tries on this new location before we even consider to take a down trade. So for now you can see I just keep the option for open. We might get one here. I will move it here. We are not trading on this line yet. I will make this one for a blue line. It's more to follow. Yes, I did take the first because I did see a high probability for a trade there. But now let's see, we need at least one more try on this position before we can consider to go in. Now let me check that if everything is okay here now. Everything yeah, cool. Now let's see. We are, like I said, looking for sell trades up here. Here we are just following for now. I need at least one more try before I consider taking buy trades here. That means up trades. Ugh. Trying to wake up here now, but I guess that will be hard. Now, probably we will have a test of either direction very soon, because the bar is going a little crazy. Now let's see what will happen. If we can get in a trade here now. Okay, let's be ready. We will take sell trades on this red line you see up there. So let's see if we can get in something good up there. Let's see. We are not trading this one yet. Okay, we got a spike down. Let's wait and see how this plays out. It's pushing more and more down now. That's why we have a blue line, and it's not tradable line yet. I did not like the big push down here now, so probably we'll go lower. Let's wait and see. For now, if you're taking a trade there, I will say it like 50-50 chance that we would have won. So that is not something we look for. So we will need to wait a little longer for us to figure out an area that is more safe to go in with a up trade. We need to be a little more careful now as we had a so terrible start of our live session. But let's see if we can turn into profit. If I can turn this live session into profit, well, I will be happy with that. So now let's see if that can be done. But yes, in the top, the red line, yes, I will trade that one. That's the only one we are trading just right now. Okay, we are moving quite fast up now. Let's see if we can get all the way up there now. And we did, and we got a quite decent entry. Now let's see if this can play out good for us. Let's bring up the trade so you can follow it. We need to wait more 10 seconds. I need a win now. I have lost enough from start today. Come on now. Yes, 196. Sweet. Now let's start to be good now. 196. We are now just $112 in minus. So things are looking a little better for us now. Now here is what I talked about before. Now I need just to be patient. Remove this one here. Let's see how this plays out, what will happen here now, because now we have some crazy bars here and we need to be careful. While we wait for that, we can look at in there. We got a good entry in the bottom here. We have a closing time of 1 minute. Let's bring up the trade and we are going to make $156 on this trade if we win. That means we will turn profit again. But we need to wait more 40 seconds on this trade, so let's see if this can be the trade that brings us into profit. And for now it really looks like it will be, but of course we need to wait another 20 seconds. We are now quite deep in the money, so this looks good for now, but I will not count nothing yet because we have seen losses in this time before. But now I will say this looks to be a profit trade. So $156 extra on the account, I take that. So we are then in profit. 156, we are now $44 in profit. Then I change this back to 100. I am happy we did resolve it. Now let's see if we can get it some more trades. Let's go back to Binance Coin and see what's going on there. Here now. Let's see if things looks like we are connected again. Now let's see. Everything looks to be up and running. I hope. Let's see. Just reconnecting here now. Let's just wait and see if we are going to. Let's do a reload instead. Maybe that is more successful. Like I said, we are on a crappy internet here. So looks like there we are back in order. Let me. Okay, then let's continue. Yeah, probably around 20 more minutes, depending that everything is working good. 3 is a charm here also, so probably this will be an area we can go in with trades. I don't like when I see lower lows here, so we need to be worrisome. Always when I see something like that, I don't like it. Now let's see. But it looks like we can make ourselves a line at least and try to trade on it, even though it's not perfect. Let's make it a green line and let's take 30 seconds, and we are going to push up if we come down to this green line here now. I need to see if I can get an entry a little below the line. That would be the best, but let's see what we can manage. At least we are in profit today. We started bad, but we turned at profit. We are just like $40-ish in profit, so it's nothing crazy, but profit is profit. Now I did not take a trade there. I won't have an entry below it, and there we got our entry. Now let's see how this plays out. We always bring up the trade here so you can follow. Now let's see. Now we need to wait more 15 seconds, but looks like we are going to get ourselves a sweet $98 profit. And now wait, now there we have it. Now we are starting to make some money. We are now $142 in profit. Now I will move my line a little more down now. As we see, I have it down here. So now we start to have a little winning streak. I like to see that. And we turn at profit. I like to see that also. So we were as much as $500 in minus today, but now we have turned it, so we are $142 in profit. I'll find that very amazing. I like when I see a comeback. Now let's see if we can get ourselves a trade in the top. I will love to have a trade there, but let's wait and see. We have a refusement here, but I'm not willing to trade here yet. We have, yes, I know we have 3 charm, but I feel it's too close. So I know he will break one of them, so when I see something like this, I keep the one that is more probability to hold, and that was this one. But the one up here, yes, we're going to trade it. I will push down if I'm up there. We are getting close now. Let's remove this thing in the side, so you can see things a little better. We will push the down button if we come up to the red line. I will try as always to get the entry a little above the red line. And we are in there. I think the entry is decent, but looks like we maybe will lose it because he did really shoot high up. We don't have any history this high, so I'm not going even to try to get in extra trade up there. We can bring the trade up. This will be a loser. We hate losers, but let's see. In the last second he was very close. So we are struggling a little today. We are only $40 in profit, 42 to be exact. It's discouraging. It's not cool to trade when it's like this, but nothing we can do. So little struggling today, but we do have the $64 also we can collect, so I will not be too sad about it. We will, at least we are $100 in profit with the $64 up there. Now let's see. We will take up sell trade if we can get one more test of this red line. I will change it blue because I'm lazy now. Let's see. Little energy, I've not eaten anything, just woke up early to take this live session for you all. Now we have been trading for 40 minutes, so we will trade just a little more before we end this because I need to go to the airport. I just wanted to get in one live session today also. Tomorrow we'll be back to normal, like I said. So now let's see. We will go up on the green line down there. So it would be nice if we could get in one there now. I feel this one is strong. And he did pin it. Pin it we are not happy with. We need to make sure. To only see how good we are to put the lines. You see he just pinned the line and we are not able to trade on that. We need to see a little below so we can get our entry. Now let's see if we can get in some more trades. Like I said, today we have not been that much successful. We are just $42 in profit, so we're talking pennies here today. but probably we'll get in like 3 more trades today, and if we can keep a little the win rate we typically should have, we should win all the 3. Because the win rate today have not been that good. So now let's see. We are ready for whatever, but as you see now we are in the middle, so but the movements are very fast, so we are ready. Currently looks like it's a higher probability we get a trade in the top. I will actually take a trade up there. We just have 2, but as we see this one is pretty close also, I will take it up there. Now let's see. Oh yeah, and also remember to put so you have fixed 30 seconds. Otherwise you can end up taking a 5-second trade. Even. So now let's see. But yes, I will repeat again, tomorrow we are back to normal. We will be trading on the normal location, everything will be in order. We will trade in normal times today. Like I said, I did go in a little earlier because I need to rush to the airport right after this live stream, because my flight goes very soon. I just wanted to get in some trades before I go from this location, and to be ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow we will be trading properly. Make sure you open with this broker, you find it pinned in the chat. Just open a demo account at least. It's much more fun when you can follow my trades than just be watching. And if you choose to go in with real money, you have a possibility to use a promo code that you also find in the chat that give you 200% on your first deposit. Now, we are playing a little too long in the middle here now. So let's see if we can bring up some other pairs here. Or maybe now we are getting the spike up that we need. Let's see. Let's see here now. Looks like he's keeping this level we see here. That was a good support for a long time for us. So our highest probability for trade right now looks to be on our support, the resistance. Is the support line we have done here at 208.83. So I'm ready to go in with a buy if we go out there now. Looks like we maybe get one there now. Let's see. Would be nice to turn a little more profit in this live session. I'm not that satisfied with what we have for now, or to be quite frankly, to turn profit today is quite good because you're $500 in minus today. So that we have turned a profit, I think, well, that is nice by the way, so I will not complain. Now let's take a look. We have now been trading for 45 minutes, so let's see if we can get in just a little more at least before I need to be running. So if you can get in a sweet trade on here, that would be pretty nice. So now let's see. Let me just check that everything is still running good. Yeah. Now let's see if this area start to look more interesting. We have 4 trades here now. I am not trading it yet because I feel it's too close each other, these two. So he will break either this or this, and for now I feel trade a little with the trend, and the trend is a little upwards. So that's why I feel this one in the bottom here is a little better than the one in the top there. because every trade we have lost have been from the top. So now let's see. If we close one more time here now, let's bring our line down, let's take a look. If we close one more time, let's see, he pinned the line there now. If this one closes below now, the next will take a trade. Of course the next then maybe will break it, but that's how it is. Actually, if I go there now, I'll take it. As we're just so close to the end of my live session, let's see if we can get a trade up there now. I did take a trade there now. We got a very good entry, and of course he chose to go higher. But we have an area there interesting also. We take one there. Now let's see how these two trades play out. We have maybe we can end up get two winners. That will be quite nice. Let's wait and see. And we won the first, that was the first entry. Now we just need to wait for the second one, and we won that one also. Then we have 2 of 98, and we turned at some good profit there now. I think we end the live session here now. The connection is not the best, so but tomorrow things will be back to normal. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, open with this broker so you can follow my trades tomorrow. You can just open with a demo account. The link will enable demo account, and if you just go in normally, you will not get a demo account. You get just with the link I have. And also, if you decide to go in with real money, you also see a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make sure your first deposit count. Okay, so then I see you all tomorrow, and we will be trading live the normal time. I will put up a live stream later today, so all have a possibility to go in good time and make a notification for when I'm going to be trading. So with that, have a